Hi and welcome to One Good Life. In this channel, we draw insights from modern science and ancient wisdom that can help us live a happy and meaningful life. Today, we have another meditation practice. In the last video in this series, we did a focused meditation where we focused all our attention on one object of meditation, for instance, the breath or a sound nearby. Today, we're going to practice a different type of meditation called mindfulness meditation, in which we try to develop meta-awareness about everything that's happening around us, all the thoughts that come and go, the sounds that pop up and disappear, and we try to maintain a state of equanimity amidst everything that's happening. Today I'm recording from outdoors for the first time in northern New South Wales, so I hope the audio is fine and you can hear me. Let's start by finding a comfortable seat with our hip bones on the ground and growing tall through the spine. Shoulders back and growing through the crown of our head. Relax the shoulders. Let's start by lengthening the normal pace of our breaths. Breathe in and out. 3 more times in our own time. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So now close our eyes. During this session, there will be many thoughts that pop out, seemingly out of nowhere. The objective in this exercise is to notice when they pop up as soon as possible. At the beginning of our practice, for instance today, or if we're very new to meditation, we might get caught up in thoughts for a while without even noticing that we've been lost in thought. With more practice, we'll notice that we've got lost in thought faster and we'll be able to come back to center and reground ourselves. Many people find that it's helpful to focus on something while we are doing this exercise, although technically that's a focused meditation practice and not a mindfulness meditation exercise. Especially when we are starting, it might be really useful to still pick an object of meditation, such as our breath or a sound that's likely to stay around for the next 5 minutes. It would be useful to count your breaths as well. And every time you get lost in thought and you realize it, you can go back to 0 and start counting again. Could help to breathe in and out of the belly instead of the chest. This tends to help us relax and calm down after a busy day. completely get rid of any thoughts, but to be able to notice that we are lost in thought faster with more practice. If you find yourself getting distracted often, that doesn't mean that meditation is not for you or that you're not good at it. Every time you realize that you've been lost in thought, take that as a massive win and be proud of yourself for catching that thought. We're focusing on one object of meditation. Now try to drop it and stay in a neutral state, just waiting for the next thought to arrive and noticing when it does. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this meditation exercise. Let me know down in the comments whether you liked it, whether you've got experience meditating, and if you tried meditation before, what kinds of meditation have you used the most. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so we can stay in touch and practice more meditation together. See you next week.